Hello friends, thank you so much for pressing play. I am in such a hurry, I have to get ready. I'm going to a birthday party, but I'm like running a little late. So I just wanted to make a video, okay? I'm gonna show you how I get ready really fast. I'm drinking a kombucha. I slicked my hair back, I did something a little different. Like, why not, right? So I'm gonna go in with very light makeup. I just had to purchase my Maybelline 4-in-1 Perfector makeup. This is one of my favorites. Let me make sure I have my mic on. Oh no, I don't. Let's turn the mic on. Oh, fancy. Okay. If you didn't hear me, hi. Thank you so much for pressing play. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm getting ready for a birthday party. My husband's gonna walk in the door any second, so if you hear him, it's all good. We are doing this together. So this is my 4-in-1 Glow Makeup from Maybelline. I use this all the time. It's perfect for like a sheer coverage. I don't want any heavy makeup on my face. I'm having a moment. My skin is so dry. It's like actually hurting me. So I have so much like moisturizer on. My lips are so dry. It's just, I need like, I don't know, to go somewhere really warm. Oh my god, I love this. I always like stop using it for a while, and then when I use it, I'm like, why do I stop using it? This is the most perfect product ever. Hi, how are you? We are moving fast here. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the Makeup by Mario soft sculpt enhancing like bronzer stuff here. It looks like this. I use this pretty much all the time. Girl, I just dyed my hair like not that long ago, and I have grays growing in. I know, like, I'm embracing aging. Like, it is what it is. I have gray hair. It runs in my family. But like, why does it grow so fast? So annoying. I pay like $100-something to get my hair dyed, and then for what? I mean, I love you, Jessica, who does my hair. You do an amazing job. Just saying. My hair, it's not you, it's me. Gonna go in with my Kosas concealer. That's what this is. And oh my god, my nose is running. I have this cold that like just won't go away. I'm actually feeling a lot better today, but just like the aftermath of it, right? Like just always stuffy nose, runny nose. Ugh. So annoying. I need to use a tissue. Please hold. I'm pretty much like ready. I feel really good about just going pretty barefaced today because I have like a lot going on like with my earrings. So I want those to kind of be more the center. I have like a nice neckline going on here. So that's really what I'm focusing on. We're gonna go in with a little Kosas powder just to brighten up under the eyes. My husband's family is here. Well, his sister is here from Colorado, and I just quickly made them a little, he's having her and his mom over for dinner, and I made them penne alla vodka, or vodka pasta as some people call it, but I actually did a little rigatoni instead, and it's just like such an Italian Jersey thing, and I'm so proud of it. I did have a little taste of it. It tasted really good, so I'm hoping they like it and it heats up right. I'm gonna take a little of this Rose Romantic, oh my god, I always say things backwards. This Romantic Rose blush. Pop that on. Oh, perfect. Okay. We're moving fast, right? Like, I'm moving pretty fast. I got my aunt, well, I will post this after, so in case she watches it, but I got her a bunch of e.l.f. makeup, an incense holder that I'm obsessed with, some incense, and some jewelry. So I'm excited to go celebrate with my fam. We are going to an Italian restaurant. So even though I made Italian food, I'm probably gonna have the same thing. I'm probably gonna have penne alla vodka. or vodka pasta, as I hear some people call it, and I'm like, what are you doing? Why are you calling it that? I guess it's a Italian Jersey thing. All right, I'm obsessed with this color in this Always Naked palette from Wet n Wild. It is so pretty. I'm just gonna like pop this all over my lid, all over it. It's just such a soft, champagne-y, light brown, but it's so nice. It looks so nice on too. It's so soft, you know what I mean? Perfect for just wanting a little something on your eyes, but you don't want to do a whole thing. I am going to go in a little bit with a darker color, like the smallest amount, just over here. Yeah, just smudging it a little, just to add like a little, I guess, I don't know, is that definition? Or just a little bit of extra drama? I don't know. Anyway, what are you doing this weekend? What's happening? It is Friday when I'm filming this. I'm hoping to have this up tomorrow morning. So sorry, my camera SD card was full, so I had to delete some stuff. But anyway, we're almost done. I just gotta add a little mascara, a little eyebrow, a little lip. If you hear something in the background, that would be Larry. Hi, Larry.
Hi.
We're gonna curl the lashes. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. This is an awesome drugstore mascara.
It's my favorite.
It's Larry's favorite. Do you wanna come say hi?
Nope.
He exists, I promise. Oh, so pretty. I really love what I did with my eyes. That palette, I'll link it below. It is so inexpensive. It's perfect. Okay. I'm gonna add a little highlight. This is from SheGlam. I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of marry it with my eyebrows. Just adds a nice little glow, if you will. A little too much, but we'll fix it. I'll link that below too. Look how pretty. That's so nice. Just want to add a little more drama to the look. How was your day, Lair?
It's good.
Okay. I don't feel like I have time to do like a whole thing for my eyebrows, so we're just gonna take my laminating brow gel from e.l.f., which I love. I just got another one because I feel like I'm gonna be running out of this soon. Brushing this through the brows, shaping them up a bit. So good. Oh yeah. My lips are so chapped, so I'm probably just gonna put like a gloss on them. I am at a loss of what to do. So I think I'm just gonna take this guy from Trader Joe's and pop this on. I might take, actually, okay, I'm gonna take this guy from e.l.f. I actually got my aunt this. This is the balm. And just put this all over. I'm gonna take this with me. Oh, that really add a little drama to the whole look. I'm gonna soften it a little. And then add on top the Trader Joe's balm. There we go. What do you think? I love it. I feel good about my whole vibe. I am gonna spray my face with a little setting spray. All right. I want to see what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a little like leather skirt. This whole vibe. It's so fun. I love you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have an amazing day. Do not forget, oh my gosh, that you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer. I won't let you forget it. I see you. You're amazing. And I will see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Tell me what you're loving right now, and I will read it. Bye.